Showtime. Bitcoin moneymaker. Every angle to get in the crypto game. Welcome to all my fellow Bitcoin monkeys. Well, here we are still waiting on Bitcoin. This is the futures contract on BitMEX. It kind of tells the future a little bit. Here's a perpetual swap. But yeah, still consolidating. I haven't made any moves. Some of the stuff that I had triggered at 9,200 or something that got sold off to Tether, I am just sitting in that still waiting for a trend to develop, and a lot of that is just taken from Coin Mastery from Carl Thomas. It's just to get in the mindset of being able to exit if I need to, because of the Tether controversy and any other thing that comes up, like huge regulations in the future, just to get used to, okay, I really can sell out and try to get out. And I am keeping track of Tether though right here to see if it gets inflated for any reason, if people start leaving in droves because they figure out there's too much Tether being printed. So I think this is Poloniex and Kraken, and it still looks okay. I'm keeping track of Cardano. I went over the last video. I'm also keeping track of, I actually bought some Stellar Lumens. I did not buy Cardano yet because I'm not fully sold on its use yet. It just seems, the price seems overinflated for what they've delivered, in my opinion. I own other platforms like NEO and Ethereum. I even own some ARK. I'm thinking about dumping my ARK. I'm not sure. I'm still watching it. I'm thinking about actually dumping ARK for Cardano. I'm kind of seeing which one plays out. I used to own some Waves. I dumped that. I own some Link. I dumped that. I used to own a bunch of stuff when I first came in because all the ICOs were going crazy, but I'm trying to cut it down, and I'm trying to really focus on paying attention to 5 to 8 coins, so none of them surprise me, and maybe do some speculation on others. I had like 25 coins. It's just too many to really keep track of, and it turns into buying lottery tickets. And my Ethereum trade is still low, still surviving though, just waiting at the bottom. And so the market still seems like it hasn't decided what it wants to do. Of course, ARK has gained 11% right now all of a sudden. Just my luck. So I have to see and I have to watch it. And I'm not saying like, oh, I dislike any of these. I'll switch back if they become winners. I'll totally switch back. Another winner I've had for a while has been Walton Chain, and I've sold off some just because I'm trying to keep my portfolio balanced, and I don't want any coin to become too big in the portfolio. But I'll keep watching. If Walton stays a super winner, I may up its holdings in my portfolio. But unless it's a big blue chip one that's in the top 10, I'm still very skeptical about any coin. But I did buy some Stellar Lumens, just a couple $100. I actually sold some of my Walton Chain because it's been so high up versus Bitcoin a couple times lately. And let's move on to the actual market. Let's see what we've grown to. 335 billion. Wow. 336 billion. Again, Ethereum hasn't done much. Bitcoin hasn't done much. IOTA still, I mean, it's doubled lately. And again, my stuff's still trapped in my wallet. I own some Monero. That's been doing okay. Cardano we just looked at the other day. I own some NEO. EOS is another platform that a lot of people praise, but a lot of people also don't like and think is, I forget the reason why, but I think the people that run it have had some shady dealings in the past, but I need to research that soon. I have not researched that. I just bought some Stellar. You guys know I'm in Bitconnect. I own some when we say go. That finally looks like it's risen a little bit. But yeah, it seems like some stuff in the market is actually coming back, but it's mostly pretty quiet. I need to look up Ardor. I've never looked that up, and that's been pretty high. I mean, ARK, of course, 23% as soon as I sell off. I own a bit of Vertcoin, and I bought that early, and I've been very happy with the turns in that. So there are things in the market that are going up. Walton, I own that. That's up. So yeah, everything seems kind of okay. Alts are actually getting some love, which is nice. And then Chain.Group, I got paid out at 170 again today. Payments are still coming, still surviving. Still happy with it. This makes me out 2,000 has been shoveled over to Bitconnect out of a total of 5,000. Then here's my actual loan. And the percentage finally went up today, I think to like 1.2%, but tomorrow it's supposed to be bad again. But at least it went up. And reinvest. So then this 170 plus the 70, that's 240. So that's not bad, plus some change left over. Close. Down here we're up to 7,000. So let's say Chain.Group fell apart tomorrow. That means here I would get an average of 70 bucks a day. But I hope Chain.Group lives, and I want to keep shoveling this in again until January 5th once the holiday is over at Chain.Group. And then 1Broker, I've had some bad luck recently. Well, not bad luck, it's probably my mistake as a newer investor trader in crypto is, you know, ARK, I sold, it went up. It wasn't looking that good on the charts when I sold, and now it's had a pump up. I used to follow Snortex, he was doing bad. This was the second best guy. He was up a lot this month. Now he's broken down to even, and I got in after he broke down, so I've lost, I think, 1 million Satoshis, so that's about $100 now. And he has all these trades, and I looked at the comments. You can look at the comments, and he pretty much tells people to relax, that he, I think he's waiting on a long trade where this is supposed to turn around. We'll see, though. We'll see. My luck, yeah, this site, I mean, there's probably people that are better than me at picking, and you guys are welcome to go try it out. Again, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, go in the description if you want to try any of these tools out yourself. Let me know if you have success. I'd love to hear from you guys if you guys have better strategies than I do. But you can see he likes to bet on US Treasuries. Snortex was more of an oil guy, and this guy claims there's 40 comments now kind of worrying about what his strategy is, and he's saying like just relax. So we'll see how that goes. And the savings account, Hashflare, now this is my first time that I had $4.25 reinvest because it's in denominations of $1.40. So that's nice that it's rolling every day, and then it seems like every second or third day I'll get a double roll in. And this is 6.4 million. I think the high was 6.6, but as long as this keeps marching up, I'm happy, and this is kind of my savings account. And then on NiceHash for altcoin mining, I'm still in the middle of buying some Dash and trying that coin out, and I'll show you guys my progress on that later when it seems important and the sheet is more filled out. So yeah, that's about it. The markets are kind of quiet. I am stuck in that Ethereum trade, and so this is a great time when the markets are kind of a little bit more still, at least in my perspective. Yeah, there's stuff that's going up like ARK, and you can go crazy with trades, but when Bitcoin itself is kind of capitulating and things are kind of still, it's a great time to invest in those altcoins that haven't been getting love, and it's also a great time to research new coins or to decide to get rid of coins in your portfolio when things in the market aren't so heated. So that's what I was trying to do by researching Cardano. I bought into Stellar Lumens. I'm always looking to cut weight from my portfolio and add to good things, and also to try to find deals on long-term holds. Like for me, that would be Bitcoin, Neo, Ethereum, etc. And I'm still kind of iffy on IOTA, but you know, as long as it stays up, it seems like their team is pretty hardcore and has a lot of respected PhDs, and it seems like their website's serious and their tools are serious. So we'll see. And yeah, that's it for today's short video. As always, the rest is up to you.